this is the test that I'm doing now with my Mavic Air 2, DJI Mavic Air 2, and I'm amazed with this drone, and it's just fantastic. This is what I'm dreaming for my footage especially. So there you go. So I recommend buying this. So watch out, guys. Today we're gonna take our test for this Mavic Air 2 and we'll see how it goes. Right, so here's the remote, and this is the thing we can use. There you go. So we're gonna take off the gimbal. We call it the protection. There you go. Take it. We will start. We'll start to fly. There you go. The Mavic Air 2. I'm gonna find it that it's really good in the air, and it is really avoid obstacles, especially here in this area. There's some buildings and cranes, so it's really fantastic with I would recommend that putting the landing mat should not be on top of the table, please, because this is what happened to us. Hello everyone, I'm back. I'm home. I just came from outside, as I told you from my earlier video, and I went to test this Mavic Air 2, and it's really amazing result, and I'm very happy with the video as you saw. And for example, we went through the farmland winery, and it was really good video quality. And also, especially in the lake, we went to portability and the Marina Bay also, and I'm really just I can't say nothing no more. It was very beautiful. So anyway, I would recommend you buying this one, and I'm not wishing to buy, but it's just a recommendation to buy this, because it's just the size is medium. It will fit in a small bag. Just if you go out, just bring this one and just put in a bag, and you can even just bring this one as well and just put it inside, and you're good to go. And with some extra batteries and the remote as well, and that's it. And anyway, for me, I would always protect whatever I have, I value, and I bought this one to protect the back of this one every time it land and take off. So yeah, so I believe that this color is good for late evenings, especially when you're like watching the sunset, and when you press the RTH, it will automatically come home where your GPS located. And for this one, I believe this is during the day, and of course it needs a little bit darker color so that the drone will easily recognize where to land. Though it's automatic, but still it's better if you have protection for your the bottom of this. So anyway, by the way, sorry, I have a lot of by the way and anyway, because I'm kind of tired now. But that's for today, and hopefully you enjoy the video, the nice view around the area where I live. So hopefully you give me a like or a thumbs up, and if you're new here on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully next time you can watch my next video. I know in my background is my cat, but that's okay, he's my lucky charm. So I would end, I always end my video like this for you guys to stay awesome and stay positive. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.